Good work.
Woo.
I did a grab properly in a while. What's up? Half
Tell
pipe.
me, where we going?
So, Tim wants a half pipe. And he was thinking like a 10-foot slight vert. Like maybe just barely gets to vert, you know?
Right.
I don't know, do you know where?
That's the question.
Yeah.
Where? We're thinking back here?
Well, back here is not great because we kind of use this as a parking lot now.
Right. The other option was down by the pavilion. I guess maybe where like the trampoline or the 10 is or something like that. The only thing is I want to stay away from the leach field as much as I can because we'll have to have an a skid loader come in and like, you know, grade everything out. Outside of the septic tank, you have three or four, depending on the size of the house, probably four, that run out diagonally. And what they are is they're like basically pipes with a bunch of different holes in it. So like, you know, as the waste comes down and goes into the tank, it goes out into the field and just gets dispersed.
Okay. Leaches out.
There's no leaches. Yeah, it leaches out. There's no leaches. So the leach field is going to be about where the tent's laying down there to the right. So where the trampoline is now is probably not a bad area.
Yeah, we could move the trampoline somewhere else.
And it doesn't look like it's going to be too much to level it out. So that should be okay.
Yeah.
And the only other option is up here.
You guys are planning on leveling all this, right?
Yeah, this,
Once the Chicken City's done?
once that's done, we're going to take all this is going to come out. This is all going to be, you know, all going to be chopped down and all that stuff, and we're probably going to dig everything out for concrete. We must put concrete. So I'll put concrete there. And so, I mean, that's a potential spot too.
Yeah, that's what I was
There's
thinking.
more work involved with it, but actually not really, just the concrete.
Yeah. But then we won't get it for sure until Chicken City's done and then that's done.
The Chicken City will be done probably Monday or Tuesday.
Well, but you guys are just doing
Studio's
it all
almost done,
sequentially
too.
anyway, right?
We're doing things as they come up. I'm just waiting on wire, the chicken wire.
Yeah.
There's like a chicken wire shortage, I guess.
Really?
Yeah. Tractor Supply doesn't have it. Home Depot doesn't have it. And right now I'm looking at, I think, October 4th, possibly September 30th before I have it. So all the construction will be done with it, and then we just got to wire it up.
Can we reuse any of that?
And then we're good. We're going to reuse some of that. Like the door, we'll probably end up reusing the door.
Yeah.
We may use these planters because every time I come here, the chickens are chilling.
Yeah, they like the plan.
So they like the planters. So we'll probably take those down there. And I got some other cool stuff that we're doing. I got little swings to put in there that can be on and little like platforms and stuff. It'll be cool.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, what's a radius you want? I mean, typically on a, you know, when you're like 3 foot, 4 foot, somewhere around there, about 7. And then you get,
I think for a 10-foot, you want just about a 10-foot radius.
I think it was 8
What?
for a 10-foot is what I saw.
Oh, you were looking it up?
Hey, it's
Yeah.
up to you. Whatever, how much ever vert you guys want really is what it comes down to.
I
But
think you'd want like a 9.5 foot radius so that you have like 6 inches of vert.
yeah, so I got here, you got 12 inches, I have a 10 to 12 inches, I have a 10-inch radius. Right?
I only want like, I think
Like minimal?
6 inches of vert is good. So I'd do a 9.5 foot radius
Yeah.
with 6 inches of flat straight up.
Okay, 6 inches, okay.
Because that gives you just enough vert to kind of send you directly up.
Okay. Deck-wise, 6 foot maybe?
6 feet back or
Yeah.
long?
Back, yeah, deep.
I mean, it'd be cool to have 6 feet deep and then on one side.
'Cause that's plenty of room for people to hang out.
Yeah,
Do
like
it.
on one side you need that and then the other side could be less.
Metal or plastic coping?
Definitely metal.
Okay.
Yeah, I would ideally like it as wide as possible, but it's up to like, you know, budget.
20's fine. Yeah. Yeah, I'll talk to him about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I can break it down from 16 to 20. 16 probably being the minimum, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
All right.
Because if you want to learn like spin tricks and stuff like that, like, you need plenty of arc.
Yeah,
You know?
because it's really just placement. Wherever we want to put it, so. Cool. I got an idea what I want, and then I'll talk to Tim and we'll go from there.
Awesome.
Right on.
Man.
have a full set?
What? This is we haven't got, it's over there. You'll see it in a second. Bum, 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 bum. This is actually, sorry,
mini chest.
I misspoke. This is only one side of the chess set. 3 hours. Here's the thing though. Do you want me to print them all the same color? What I'd rather do is use the rest of this resin and then print another side with a different resin color. So, earlier today, someone from the Fediverse, Alex, sent us something he 3D modeled himself, and we're gonna print that to use the rest of the resin.
Okay.
And then we'll print the other
different color set.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
What do you think though? Do you like the spiraling?
I love it.
Do you think they're too small?
No, this is good. This is a mini chest set.
I could make it bigger next time.
I think this is our first one, and you should do a mini and then do a full size after.
Okay.
And maybe someone will send us a really cool chess set that's like modeled after.
Do you think I should double the size next time? Or should
I'd say
I do...
double it next time, and we'll change the shape. Well, will it fit on one thing like that?
Almost certainly.
And you've done, this is the most you've done or shown doing it one time. It's very good.
In 3 hours. And you know what? I feel like... No, you just have to hit it at the side, don't worry. They're also rather strong
You
pieces.
should make a whole set though that involves pieces like this.
Yeah, exactly. So that was the thought we
That's
had.
my dream.
That's the thought we had yesterday. It was like, it doesn't matter what color the resin is.
So
It
if
could
I
be
pick
different
my
kinds of
own
pieces.
chess set and design my own pieces, as long as they're to a certain standard, like upon, we should be able to do that.
That's what I'm thinking is everyone could have their own chess army.
That means you too.
What do you call it? Chess army?
Jessica plays chess. She challenged me last night. I just wasn't feeling it, so.
Take these pieces. Put them in there. Add time. A minute and go.
What colors what are you doing now?
I'm using a clear blue. It'll look amazing, I think.
Clear blue versus what was that, gray?
Battle gray. So it's like space blue versus military gray. Now, you'll notice there will be at the very base of the model a little bit of the old pigment because it's not perfectly like removed. And I like that because it gives it kind of a weird futuristic guitar swirl. I think that'll look cool. Flying away on a wing in a prayer. Who could it be? Believe it or not, it's just me. All right, there you go. So now, starting chess set 2, or chess side 2. We're gonna print an entire other
I
kind
like
of chess.
those, but
Did you see the most popular, the Pokemon
I'm probably gonna
ones?
get. Is there like a She-Ra He-Man set with all their characters? No.
I mean, you can look for it. I'm sure that those things exist, and if they don't, we can put heads on these with models. And there you have it. Perfect chess pieces right there. Ready to go. We need to start printing statues. I want 8-foot statues of Tim. And
Okay. That's a little.
Me. And Ian. It's good. Alright. I'm gonna bring these inside.
We can make our own
What's the
design. We
material?
can make like
This is the acrylic
fairies.
resin.
You could have a fairy be like your queen.
It doesn't have to be color based, and do whatever kind you want.
Wizard be your king.
So, yeah.
You paint them?
Like Destiny.
Well, you could if you wanted to be a battle gray, but the next set I'm printing is going to be acrylic see-through blue, and so people are going to have different colors. But yeah, so this was all printed on one sheet at the same time. It took about 3 hours to print one
I'm
side.
gonna go get the keys.
That's a whole chest. That's a whole chest.
So we're gonna be picking more designs.
Cool chessboards in
you could-
6 hours.
Yeah, you
Wow,
put your
that's
head on
pretty,
the chess
that's pretty
pieces.
good.
We need to.
So
I'd like to.
legit.
Come here, kitty. Meow. Come here, kitty.
I'm sorry, Bucko. I really don't want to get you to get hurt. I love you, buddy. Wow.
trust this thing? Particle board with screws in it? Not gonna walk down that nonchalantly.
I'm scared. I do. No, I'm not, I don't have that kind of balance.
Put the ball of your foot on it.
What? I can't do it.
Use your heel. Honestly, the easiest way to get down is just to drop down.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, so oh, you went like that. It was scarier out
Yeah,
there.
just like flip over and grab the top.
I bet
Yeah,
you
they're gonna do
hope
a
you get
fully.
down.
That's the end of it. It's gonna be a fully enclosed, top to bottom run.
Come here. What? So easy. Hi. What?
Come here.
Oh, what are you doing? What was that? Oh, chickens. They're cute.
Now they have to go wash off that avian flu.
Look at the chickens, it's like making them march in single file. Tough.
Let's play. Player one.
Oh, come on.
Player one. Let's play. Player one.
From there, alright. What's happening? Cigarettes.
Hey, whoa, 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 what are you doing? You're doing it again.
I get to put a foot
No,
forward.
you don't. I was
Yes.
going like this.
I think you had a foot forward. It's on camera, so.
I mean, you need help. You ready for this?
Pussy. Player one. Win the game.
I won. Because I'm better than you.
Let's play.
And I know it.
Player one.
It's not true.
Careful. Oh, sorry.
Meet you.
I'm so sorry. That was awkward.
Hey,
Like, I turned so quickly, I was like, I missed your first go. Couldn't get
Open your
Yeah,
hands.
okay.
You don't have, you can just pick one up if you want.
Okay, well,
These are chess pieces we just 3D printed today.
Okay.
Yeah, so we printed them all on one tray. And they take about 3 hours to print.
You gave up?
We're gonna do different sizes, different colors,
I'll do it again.
different kinds of pieces.
One to try.
Yeah, we 3D print other things.
Oh yeah?
Be my actual
Are you, are you in
Like handcuff keys.
Oh, okay.
540?
Yeah,
Weird stuff like that. I always get called out. They tell me, you speak pretty good English. I don't think you're actually Mexican.
Don't make this awkward.
Wait, that's que no soy mexicano, cabrón. You don't have to say it's the one. I went to language school to be able to speak English without an accent. I can also speak Spanish in an American accent.
That's the best.
Oh my gosh.
Muchas gracias por los tacos que nos acabas de hacer.
But yeah,
Well-
the show will, yeah, sure.
Okay, but this donkey
Yeah,
is
let's finish the
upside down
story.
in
You
Tijuana.
have no idea why you're interrupting right now. It's insane, Tim. This is seriously.
So they're,
Two men
okay,
next to
keep
it on
it
either
up,
side.
actually.
so they're holding on to this donkey.
It's not.
Lady is on top of the donkey. And I'm like in this moment where I'm like, this is not happening.